Hello guys, how are you doing? Happy New Year. I know it's like forever since I posted, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have a package here. I have not vlogged or posted for a long time because I have been busy running stuff. So I ordered something from Everything £5. As you can see, this is a website that I found on Instagram. Thanks to Instagram, because they have, like, you get to see so many things, and yeah, like in Akuchanua, you know. So I'm gonna be reviewing their products. These are clothes and some shoes, so I'm gonna be reviewing some products that they have, and then yeah, so I just came, and then I will, you guys will see what is here and what's happening. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry I have not been vlogging or YouTubing for so long. Ni majukumu, I've been busy doing stuff here and there, so yeah, kutafuta mula, you know. So but I'm here, and I ordered some stuff from Everything £5. It's a website that I found on Instagram, and everything you order there, it goes for only £5, not more, not less. So I thought, because so many people were tagging this and it seemed so genuine website, so I decided to order some stuff and see what they have to offer. So I just got this box. It's big. I didn't know so big. So there's some clothes and shoes. So I will open and see what we have here. So I hope my voice is clear. I don't have makeup. My lips are a little bit dry. I just got home and I'm tired a little bit. So I'm shaking of carrying this box. So this is a very affordable site. You know, if you want something cheap and still quality, because I think they get these products from normal shops like Zara, you know, at a good price. So because when you go, I think, to Zara, you will find this product there. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing that. So wow, they are many. The list. So let's start with I will not fit them, but every time I wear something, I will be tagging so that you guys can see. So here we have this dress, and it looks exactly as in the picture. And I heard they removed the label, yeah, because there's no label here, so you cannot know. But it's velvet, it's purple, it's very beautiful summer color, and it looks very small. That I am worried, though it's my size, but let's see. And this is summer dress. It's red. Here it looks orange, but it's very red. This is what do you call this? Not like kimono, I don't know. It's a neck, it's printed top, like something to wear on top of something, you know, like something to wear on top of camisole, or what do you call, you can wear on top of a spaghetti top. Yeah. Oh, actually I just got this skirt I'm wearing, can go with this jacket. It's very hot here. I just is like a summer or spring jacket. It's beautiful, and it comes with this ribbon, like you can tie here or something. So I'm not going to be trying this on the video, but every time I'm wearing something, I will be tagging. Like I'm not on hii top. Actually, I've lost so much weight. So I will be tagging so that you guys can see what I got from this side. Here. This is just a basic top. And it looks too big. And I ordered one dress that was not delivered. They say it was out of stock. And here I have a summer dress. I was worried that it will be so short, but I see, there are two. I ordered one. Okay. I think one is put inside. Here. It has a, like a hoodie. Not a hoodie exactly, but something thicker here, like a hoodie. And yeah, it has adjustable stuff here. Yeah. So I don't know what is this supposed to mean, because I didn't see it on the website. So if you guys want to see how they look, I'm gonna be putting on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I don't remember this. Oh, this is a dress, summer dress. Wow. Wow. This I love so much, and it has very good material. I thought this was denim, but it's not. It's a dress, summer dress. But I'm in love with it so much. I hope they all fit me. Then we have this bomber jacket. Like it has this sample, like the material looks like this inside. Can you imagine this for £5? Wow. Cheaper even than in Kenya, yeah? Kyla. And I have this. These are shoes. Aren't they beautiful? £5. Thank you so much. Sorry about that accident. My camera handle or holder fell down. So, and we have this Kyla, last but not least. This is shoes. This was silver, and this is champagne, but very different. Yep. So now my summer is sorted. I never get tired of shopping. So that's all. Make sure you comment on this video if you want more details about this website, although I will put I'm not gonna put link, or I will put link down below if there is. And I'm gonna be tagging them on Instagram, and I'll go and try these clothes, and then every time I post on Instagram, I will be tagging the product I'm wearing. I will be tagging this website so that you guys can see according from the video what I ordered and how it fits me. So see you guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and like, comment, and I'm so sorry for being away, and let's keep in touch. Bye.